Hey guys, since it's the festive season going on, I thought this is the perfect time to share this beautiful recipe with you all. Today we'll be making a pan cake, which is one of my favorite flavors of all time. Firstly, we'll take a mixer grinder jar and we'll add our milk to it. This cake is loaded with flavor, and for that flavor we are going to use 4 or 5 of beetle leaves. You can also use 1 or 2 paans directly. These leaves will also add a beautiful natural color to our cake. Next, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of gulkand, which is basically rose petal paste. It's completely optional, but it adds a lot of flavor to our cake as well. And then we basically grind this all together. After that's done, we'll transfer it to a mixing bowl along with our curd. You can also use yogurt. Make sure everything is at room temperature and then just give it a good whisk. After everything is well combined, we'll add our sugar to this. I'm using caster sugar, but you can also use granulated sugar here. After the sugar is completely dissolved in the mixture, we'll slowly start drizzling our oil while whisking constantly so that everything gets nicely emulsified. When you are done, you should not have oil on top of your layer, otherwise you will get an oily cake. And now I'm going to add 1 drop of gel based green food color, which is completely optional, but I'm going to add it because that is going to make our cake look a lot more like a pan cake. I'm going to keep this bowl on the side, and in a small bowl I'll be combining 1/4 cup of tutti frutti along with 1 teaspoon of Maida or all-purpose flour, which I'm going to take from the measured dry ingredients. Mixing our tutti frutti with Maida is going to ensure that they do not sink in the batter while baking. And then we'll be sifting all of our dry ingredients, starting from all-purpose flour or Maida and baking powder, baking soda and salt. Sifting of dry ingredients is very important while making any kind of cake to get a very light and lump-free batter. After that's done, we're going to give it a quick whisk so that there are no lumps in the batter, but we'll make sure to not overmix it. When everything is almost combined, we are going to add in our tutti fruttis and give our batter a gentle fold. And with that, our pancake batter is ready. We're going to take a lined circular cake tin, and I'm taking a 7-inch cake tin here, but you can also take a 8-inch cake tin or a smaller cake tin than that. Then we'll transfer all of our batter to that and we'll spread it out evenly. We now give it a few taps on the counter to make sure that there are no air bubbles in the batter. Lastly, we'll add some toppings like tutti frutti and colored fennel seeds along with some cherries, but all of these are optional. You can skip them or add whatever you have at home. Finally, we are ready to bake our cake, and I'm going to put it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for roughly 35 to 40 minutes, but the exact timing can vary depending on the type of your oven as well. And I cannot be more happy with how beautiful this cake looks. Look at that gorgeous top with all of those toppings, and I'm going to carefully demold my cake after it is done cooling. And once you finally cut a slice, you can see how beautiful and green it looks from the inside, and this is looking like a perfect pan cake to me. Also guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for a lot of more recipes.